India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
The appointment of the one member on the state police complaint authority by member appoint केला. आमचो member ID Shukla. Former DGP. The creation of the post in the Department of the New and Renewable Energy. Post creation केला. It is in supply of the 100 kVA and 200 kVA transformers. आम्ही cabinet approval गेले. Filling of the junior scale post in the Goa Civil Service.
फोंडकुला पुरंग PWD जेट पॅचर मशीन घेता. फोंडकुलांचे म्हायतीक ॲप लॉन्च करतले. 98 वरां भितर फोंडकुलांचेर पॅचवर्क 18 म्हयन्यांची वॉरंटी.
The app will be there in such a way that people will remove the photographs. It will detect the pothole, which will go to the contractor. The contractor himself within 98 hours will go there to the location, patch work. So it's a little complicated. I am trying to do. If fail, I am failing. But I am trying to do something. So आज आम्ही दोन एजन्सी on nomination basis 2 कोटी 2 गडकिना jet patcher machine हाडपाक. Very costly machine. We don't want to buy. PWD don't want to buy. Jet patcher, जे machine असा, it is meant for during the rains. पावस पडना. Suppose पावस पडटा करूंक मेळना. पावस पडना. ड्राय जालो ते उदक प्रेशराचे वारे मारून उदक काडटले आनी ते पॅच काडटले. विदिन हाफ एन आवर इट सेटल्स आनी ते भायर वयचें ना तेजी गॅरंटी घेतल्या. सो 18 म्हयन्याची तेणी गॅरंटी दिल्या आमकां आनी बेस्ड ऑन ट्रायल बेसीस गोंयान आमी हे चालू करतले.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.